Hi and welcome to this video. In today's video, we'll talk about how to create navigation in a newsletter. So let me open a newsletter template. We have this newsletter template. If you are following me, I created this in an old video. You will see the link of the video on the top of the screen. Now, let's get into how to create the navigation First, we need to add a new row here above how to build, use, test Outlook templates. And after clicking here, we have these two tabs active. We go to table layout and then insert above. Now we have a new row here. We need to insert a table now, but let's count how many sections we have. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 sections. So we need 4 cells here. And we have this color here as highlight color. I'm going to add it as a background color. And I'm going to remove the border, no border. But how we can separate these tabs from each other, we need to create a white border or a border that matches the background. So I'm gonna go for 3 points. I'm gonna make it color, and then I'm going to either you use the border painter and you paint border between these buttons, kind of buttons, or you highlight the whole table and go to border and add inside vertical border. So we had it already, now we removed it, now we will add it back. If you are not satisfied with the width of the border, we can just increase it to 4. And then again, go back, and I think 4.5 is very good. Now we have 4 buttons. We need to add text. So here we need to type, but I think the color of the text is exactly like the background color. So we need to go to format text and change the color to white. And you see now it's white. So let's create the first button, which is going to be intro. And then we have test, and team. As you see, we can't see the text because of the color. We need to go back and give it a color. Now we need to go back to table layout and then center it. So it's centered, but the text is too big, so we need to adjust the size of the text. Let's go to 18 and then go back to table layout. It's centered, but as you see, it's not really centered, it's top aligned. So why? We need to go to format text and remove the margin or remove the spacing after text. So if we make it 0, you see it's centered, but it's still not that, but it's centered, but still not, it's centered now, but still not the button that we want. Let me go back again to table layout properties, and let's go to cell and go to options. First, we need to uncheck this option, same as the whole table. We need to make it different from the whole table. You can leave these, or you can also make it 2, and as you see, now it looks way more better. Let's remove the grid line, and now it looks good, but I think we need to separate it from the whole table. So I need to add a kind of background. So let me go to table design. Let's just take this kind of light gray, and it looks now better and separated from the intro text. And to achieve consistency, I capitalized all the text here. Now we created a nice and good looking navigation menu. So we need to add the links now. So how to add the links? And how to link them to these sections. First, we need to go to Insert and we need to add bookmarks. And here, if you see, we have this here, link and bookmark. And here we need to highlight, for example, the text and go to bookmark. And then here we need to type, for example, build, and we click on add. Now we have a bookmark here. And then we need to go to this one and add also a bookmark. And here we can add something new, like important. And clicking on add, and then the third element also a new bookmark, test, and then add. Then here we have the team add. Now we have 4 bookmarks. Now we need to link these buttons here to these bookmarks. So first intro, we highlight the whole text and go to link, then insert link. And here under insert link, we need here to place on the document. And here after choosing place in the document, we will have here these bookmarks. And we have the first one, which is build. Okay. We'll come back to the color. The color looks a bit weird here. And then we go back to test. And then we go to test. And here again, we can use the right mouse click. And we will have the same options. Here we have important. And then again, test. Again, right mouse click, link, test. And then link, team. I mistyped it. Now we have these links, but the color looks a bit weird. We can highlight them all and go to format text, remove the underline by just clicking on it 2 times. And then the color, we can just add color here. And now we have a nice and good looking template. To check if they are working, you need to press on Control and left mouse button. So first Control, as you see, it changed now to a hand. And now we are here. Again, this is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. And as you see, after we clicked on them, the color looks also a bit weird. It's kind of red. How to change this color? We need to go to the options, and then we have here colors, and then we go to customize colors, and we have here hyperlink and followed link, and we can change it to something that is maybe much better than this. So let us try again. And as you see, we visited the links, but the color is still white. We need to change it to something that we can distinguish if we clicked or if we do not click. Let me go to something maybe yellow. But you see here on the sample, it's showing that the link is white, and after visiting it is yellow. That was all about adding navigation to a newsletter template in Outlook. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.